guys, thank you for joining me. I'll be showing you how I edit my Instagram videos, my YouTube videos, the post-production, mounts, cameras, everything. Please note, you don't have to use the current camera I'm about to show you. I actually got away with using a very entry-level type camera, the HD 1080p's. These are very affordable, and they actually are not as horrible as people think, because I learned how to color grade and sort of like fix that overexposed image that you get from these, and that grain and all that noise. I've also used my cell phone. I wouldn't recommend the cell phone, of course, on a bike, but it's also possible. I've done it before. I want to keep this video super short, so let's get straight into the main camera I'm currently using. It's the GoPro 7 Black. This is my main camera. I replaced it after the last damage. The 8 is out, 360 is out, and I do not care for those because this is really my favorite. This is not a sponsored video. I will put the link for where I actually got it and where you can also get it below in the comment section. But this is my favorite and the one I recommend. Wow, ouch. Okay, all right then. So, but this is this is the camera. This is my most favorite tripod, but I'll probably just get some like adhesive and fix it. But yeah. So yeah, this is my most favorite camera. I'll put the link below for you guys to purchase. Okay. We struggled to get these mounts, so like it actually took me forever to collect like most of my mounts, most of my brackets and everything. So apart from ordering online and waiting for like 57 days for the shipment, so like it's really like it costs more, like there's time involved, so that's why it's such a big deal. But like I said, let's keep this video short. So the settings I use are 4K at 60 frames per second. This is the best for videos on outdoors or bikes, as you have seen. So I'm happy with the quality, and you can also get it at 1080p if you're trying to like limit the size of those videos and limit the time it takes to upload, because the 4K files obviously are going to be bigger and take more space, but like the quality is just crisp, and I found it to be perfect for me. So yeah, those are the settings I use. If you're going to be using your cell phone now to import, you can use the GoPro app. That's for free on both Android and iOS phones. If you're going to be using a Windows laptop, you can use a USB adapter. And if you're going to be using a Mac, you can use the cable. I actually use the cable for my charger and the GoPro Quick app. So I use that together, find it to be quicker. And yeah, there's tools on the GoPro Quick app to actually edit, but I don't use that. So the editing software that I use, like the GoPro app, is available on both Mac and Windows. I've used it on Mac, I've used it on Windows. It's the same across all types of computers. They have a free trial. I think it has a watermark, but it's really like the most simple editing software out there. And when I compared the pricing plans, it worked out cheaper, and yeah, no hassles. And what else? Yeah, very user friendly. If your editing skills are advanced, then you go ahead and use Final Cut Pro, but this is the best. Now for your cell phone, there's so many apps available to use in app stores or Play Store. Just go ahead and look at free, highly ranked editing apps, video editing apps. There is tons. If that's too much work for you, just go into Instagram. The in-app tools are excellent. I use that most of the time, unless I need to use the FILMORA LUTs when I want like that orange and teal type of feel, type of filter, then I would use that. But standard, I love the like highly saturated image the GoPro has. So yeah, don't stress too much, just upload straight, put some music in stories, screen record, save it. Before I forget, this is the mount that I got currently on my windshield. It's one of my favorite point of views and obviously the most used on my videos. This mount comes standard with the GoPro. I can't remember for the HD 1080p camera if it comes with it, but it should. This mount comes with this sticker. It's a double-sided sticker, so you would stick this on your windshield or a flat surface on your bike, because someone asked me one time like, what dash cameras do you recommend? The GoPro 7 Black would be perfect for you, so you can use that as well. You can use this mount front facing or road facing, it will still work perfectly. Now if you guys want a full and detailed editing video, tell me in the comments.